I'm Shannon Harvey, and I'm the Gettysburg Campus Vice President, and I had the honor of being part of the initiation of the Mechatronics program in 2015, and it's our second career program at the campus, so we're very, very proud of it. The Fund for Excellence for Mechatronics is a fund that will help us to purchase state-of-the-art technology and equipment that will allow us to continue to meet the manufacturing needs of Adams County. It's also a fund that will allow us to be able to develop new curriculum to meet the workforce needs of the future. While Adams County may be best known for the Gettysburg battlefield, manufacturing is the sector where the highest number of our residents work, and not only is it the sector where the highest number of our residents work, it's also the highest paid sector in our community. So right now in Adams County, manufacturing is thriving and growing. We have everything from fruit processing to vegetable processing to poultry processing to snack food processing. So it truly is a career area where students can earn a family-sustaining wage. So one of the things we do with this fund is purchase new robotics equipment that would allow us to have a robotics lab in Gettysburg. That kind of technology will allow us to meet the advanced manufacturing needs that we see coming to our community. So with this new equipment, we'd be able to ensure that our students graduating will have the skills necessary to be able to immediately go to work in Adams County and make an impact. Please join me in supporting the Fund for Excellence for Mechatronics. Not only will it benefit our students, but it'll benefit our economy and certainly make a much stronger community.